Hey guys, it's Lainey here from Life is But a Dish, and today I'm going to show you how to make my sheet pan lemony roasted veggies with chicken sausage. And it's all made on one pan, which is amazing, easy cleanup. So let me show you how this is done. I've got some really simple ingredients here. There's some Brussels sprouts, carrots, bell pepper, onion, lemon of course, a little bit of garlic. You can use any kind of chicken sausage that you like. And then for our spices, we have salt, lemon pepper, garlic powder, paprika. The first thing that I'm going to do is start by trimming the Brussels sprouts. If they're decent size, they're kind of small, I just like to keep them whole, and actually I score a little X in the bottom. It just helps them cook a little bit faster. If you have really big sprouts, feel free to cut them in half. Next I have my carrots, and I'm just going to cut them into large chunks. You want to keep them large chunks like this so that they cook evenly with the Brussels sprouts. You want everything about the same size so things don't cook more quickly than the others. You know what I mean. And the same goes for my bell pepper. This is how I like to cut a bell pepper. I just sand it up and cut off all four sides. Have this little part for me as a snack. And toss this. Now I'm gonna cut up my onion. I'm just tossing everything onto the sheet pan. You can put everything into a large bowl and mix it that way. I just find it easier to put it straight on the sheet pan, toss everything with the spices and olive oil, and then pop it in the oven. I peeled my garlic, and I'm not even going to mince it. I'm just going to thinly slice it and just toss that right over the veggies. And I'm going to chop up or dice up the sausage, and we'll be pretty much done. Same goes for the sausage. I'm going to cut them into large chunks, toss it right in. They're going to get nice and browned and crispy and coated with all the spices. It's going to be so good. How good does that look? And so pretty. So now I'm just going to toss it with a little bit of olive oil and then throw all the spices on there and then use my hands and just mix it up really, really well till it's all perfectly coated. Don't be afraid to get your hands down and dirty. The nice thing about this dish is you can use whatever veggies you have left over from the week in your fridge. So if you have broccoli or cauliflower, just throw it in there. It's all gonna work. It's gonna work great. This smells absolutely incredible. The veggies are nice and tender. The sausages are crispy and brown. And now I'm gonna do my favorite part, toss in the lemony greens. I'm gonna take some greens, a whole bunch, because they're gonna wilt down. I'm gonna put it right on top. You can use spinach or whatever kind of greens that you like. And then I'm gonna take fresh lemon, squeeze it on top. I'm gonna do a whole lemon. And then we're just gonna toss it all together. And the heat from the veggies will carefully wilt the greens. The lemony flavor is going to coat the veggies. And that's it. Super easy, super delicious. I hope you guys love this recipe. You can eat it alone, you can serve it over rice or quinoa, whatever you want. And come give me a follow over at Life is But a Dish. I do tons of Instagram stories. We have a lot of fun. See you next time.